Hello, everyone. We're at the Apidays Interface Day 2. I hope you had a great day one as much as we had. We talked about a lot of topics, API platforms, API ecosystem, API strategy, and actually how to match your APIs with your strategy. That was mainly the main topic. On the tech side, we talked about the new API tech stack, the new standard protocols, technologies, type of gateways, whatever protocols that currently at the state of the art of the space. And yes, we try also to have roundtables and workshops, hands-on workshops to discover what are the latest features and product that will enable you to do it at next Monday with your team. So let's embrace this API economy and also APIs for the next 10 years. Just a quick sum up about what we will do and also what is API Days for people who did not attend day one. So API Days is really the conference to connect the humans behind APIs. We're celebrating our 10 years anniversary. And for the last 10 years, we're just trying to connect the humanity behind APIs. Because of COVID, we've did it remotely the last 2 years, but we're back in person at the end of the year for our main events. So we do events in many places of the world, from USA, Europe, Middle East, APAC. But you are at Interface, our main online event where we are able to have speakers that are really hard to get in real time, but at least they can be there because of this remote ability. So API Days, after the first 9 years, we were able to have like 75 events, 70,000 past attendees for more than 300,000 developers, architects, integration managers, IT managers, and also platform owners, platform managers to talk about the API mindset. So we're really glad to have powered this community over the last 10 years. If you want to know more about the event, the hashtag of the event is Apidays Interface. I know people tweet less when it's just online because they can't take photos with each other, but at least if you want to make some noise about the event, you can tweet at Apidays Interface for the hashtag, and you can mention us at Apidays Global. We will be glad to retweet you to our community. API Days is just, we do events, but we don't only do events, we do consulting, we help company hire. The only thing that can scale is hiring. We do also deep research about the space. We help company organize classes and training, and we help also the industry with knowledge, with content, newsletters, blogging, and social media. 3 initiatives I really want to talk about that are extremely important. The Women in API initiative. It's a network of hundreds of potential speakers who identify as a female that are sometimes first-time speakers or that want to be coached to be comfortable to go on stage. Again, we know in this community, in the tech community, we don't have enough gender diversity representation. So we fight for that in our Women in API program. It's a program to help people be seen and heard, to foster diversity and talent in API community. And again, we have a lot of members, 200 members, and we have quarterly meetups. We have people who are coached, and we really want to thank Stoplight and Twilio to support this initiative. So if you know a female, or if you're identified as a female and you want to be coached and trained for your first talk, or maybe to improve your skills, to be accepted at more conferences, don't hesitate to join that program. The second thing we do is the Sustainable Digital Challenge. It's a 3-month program to actually rethink your whole stack according to eco-design principles on the UX, on the code, on the architecture, and the hardware. So it's we've done our 3rd edition. We started 3 years ago, and so again, every time dozens of large corporations comes and rethink the whole application stack, APIs, and databases according to eco-design principles. And the 3rd initiative I really want to talk about is APIscene, our media platform, community-driven media platform on APIs, just API news on the tech side, on the business side. So if you sometimes you can't listen a 25-minute talk, but you can read a 3 to 5 minute version of what speaker have produced directly on the platform. Today, what we have after the keynote, we'll have, again, as yesterday, a business track, a tech track, and roundtable and workshop. So you will be able to go where you want. And we just want to thank our platinum sponsor for this event, IBM. You can go on their booth, of course, to know about their leader API management solution. And also our gold sponsors like Whip Security, WSO2, and Red Hat. So Whip Security is an API security solution. WSO2 and Red Hat are two also leader open source API management solutions that you can visit their booth to any event. We also thank our silver and bronze sponsor who helped this to make this event happen and enable to do it at scale. But now